Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is just a little side note and hopefully a little short video on the control plus a number to give a group a number. Somebody just watched my video and I was using these numbers up here, and that's what makes it work. And he said on his laptop, these numbers don't work, and they do not work on mine either. And I'm going to just retest that real quick and make the letter 7. I've got everything blown up. So my number lock is working. So let's, sorry about that. When you want to select all these reds, if you will hold down the control button and the number 0, let's say, because 0 works as a number, and then if you want those reds back, you just hit that and you've selected them again. So your keyboard, probably these won't work, so you need to use the numbers that are above the letters to make it work. I don't really understand why that is, but that's the way it is. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.